तन्ने मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगं रघुनाथान्वितां तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं श्रीकृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगं ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेशा गोपिका कान्ता श्रीराधा कान्ता नमोऽस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे लाउडर हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। मुखं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुं दीनतारिणं परमानन्दं माधवं श्रीचैतन्येश्वरं नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं दैवी सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयेमुदीरये नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तमः श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you very much for coming. Hope you all had amazing holidays. Hare Krishna. Dhamvasis are here. Very nice. I'm so happy that आप लोग हो यहाँ पर. It's after holidays. It's hard, you know. Look around. Not many people are here. क्यों नहीं है पता? Why not many people are here? Huh? Only one couple of family in India. What else? Huh? It's holidays, you know. So holiday means holiday from everything except for one thing. एक चीज से हम holiday नहीं लेते हैं, वो क्या है पता? हाँ? पूजा पाठ से तो बहुत सारे लोग पैदा होते ही ले लेते हैं छुट्टी. Fun. Nobody takes holidays from fun. कभी ऐसा हुआ है यार बहुत फन हो गया, थोड़ा सा कुछ वो कर लेते हैं. कोई ऐसा बोलता है कि बहुत हो गया है यार, अभी मेरे को थोड़ी स्ट्रेस चाहिए, बहुत ज़्यादा रिलैक्स हो गया, I'm so relaxed, I need some stress man, I can't balance myself. You know, somebody was telling me, Prabhu ji, I'm flying. मैंने कहा what do you mean? कहता I'm flying, I feel I have no stress. So मैंने कहा do you want stress? कहता हाँ. मैंने कहा get married, done. अगर मैं ये माता जी से बोला होता ना तो कोई नहीं हंसता अभी. So stress. So thank you very much for coming. The reason I was talking about this is I'm very grateful कि आप लोग यहाँ पर हो. It is not an easy thing after holidays. We are on holiday mode. You're here. Prabhu, when did you come back?
2 days back.
2 days ago. Yeah, you're still here, already here. So in the Bhakti Raksha. So that means कि हम जो लोग भी यहाँ पर हैं, they have a little bit of spark of bhakti in them, है ना? And that needs to be glorified. Before I start, I have to really, glorify our facilitator and Prabhuji, Mataji, the whole family, the way he play Kartal. I'm very, very grateful, and I want to really actually give a clap for such an amazing kirtan. And then I want to acknowledge Puja Mataji and Bobby Prabhu, their house, opening their house, for us. They have extremely busy life, but they still open up the house. I saw Bobby Prabhu, he's, like right now, his busiest time, Friday evenings and things like that, and Saturday and Sunday, but he's still here. If you see, he's still here till 11 o'clock, greeting and making sure people are, very, very comfortable. So I want to just clap for them and pray for them. And lastly, to all of you, because agar aap log nahi hote, I had no opportunity to speak, and a lot of other people who are here because unke husband ya wife kisi ghaseet ke laaye, they won't have opportunity to hear as well, So clapping to all of you as well. All right, so today the topic that we're gonna start is probably the most interesting and the most lengthy topic we have ever done. हमें लगता है कि one God or many gods was a lengthy topic. We're gonna start today why bad things happen to good people. And I know that you will have amazing questions on this. I really want you to open up. आज का जो session होगा, it's just gonna be introduction. The real essence will start from next week. But this introduction is extremely important because all of us have faith. तभी हम लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं. We have some faith, है ना? That's why we are here. But that faith is strong or not, ये कैसे पता चलेगा? When we are facing very difficult time. If everything is hunky-dory, everything is awesome, सब कुछ बढ़िया चल रहा है, then you say, okay, ठीक है ना. When everything is happy and you're serving people, you're laughing, you're smiling, you're greeting people, hugging people, it's okay, it's really good. But when you're going through a tough time, when you're going through the time which is not bringing the best out of you, how do you react? Do you react or you respond? ये जो difference है ना, this difference we will see in these next classes and what makes that difference. We'll talk about that. So before we go to the topic, let's do some announcement. And I have a very good news for all of you that मुझे काफी सारे लोगों ने अप्रोच किया था कि they want to host this Bhakti Raksha in their house one day, once in a while kind of stuff. So and I want to tell you why this is, how does it happen, why is it important? क्या होता है अभी पूजा माता जी के घर पे we are doing all this kirtan. These plants have different vibration right now because of the kirtan that we've done. And because of the collective consciousness of all of us, because we are all come here for with the same kind of consciousness, same kind of inclination, even these plants are vibrating in a different way. Let alone these walls, this environment, everything changes when we chant the holy name, when we do kirtan. So, I have never had opportunity to host a Bhakti Raksha in my house because I live around 35 minutes from here, 30-35. But all of you guys will have an opportunity. अगर आपको अपने घर पे भक्ति रक्षा करवाना है, please let me know. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll set up a roster. We do this every time, every Bhakti Raksha. So, like for example, if you want to do a Bhakti Raksha, I'll put a roster in here. Whatever date suit you, you can put that date. कि इस date को हमारे घर पे होगा Bhakti Raksha. So what we will do is we will bring the microphone and everything from previous house to the next house, and then we'll keep moving it around. Yeah. The host और whatever is the, अगर आपको लगता है it's complicated, कुछ है आपके घर में जगह नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, talk to us because You know, my father and my mother used to say, घर में जगह की जरूरत नहीं है. कहाँ पे जगह की जरूरत होती है? दिल में. हाँ. So we all know that we have big heart. So we will make do with whatever space we have. ठीक है? Now this opportunity, please don't miss it, because when a kirtan happens in the house, Krishna wants to be in that house. Like, you know. So अगर हम पूजा माता जी के घर पे कीर्तन कर रहे हैं, तो Krishna wanted this kirtan to happen here. You know, so it's an invite. Personally, Krishna is present when the kirtan happens, because holy name, there's no difference between the name of the Lord and the Lord Himself. You know? Hello, can you prove इसका थोड़ा सा वो bass कम कर दो, एक echo कम कर दो. So what we will do is, remember, when you do this, आपका घर की vibration change हो जाएगी, आपके परिवार की vibration change हो जाएगी. If there is any kind of illness or any kind of negativity, any kind of vibration which is pulling you down in any respect, whether it's spiritual, material, whatever it is, it will change. You know? So please take this opportunity. So by the end of this, on this weekend, मैं roster डाल दूँगा. Please अपना नाम, so उसमें instructions भी होंगे आपको कैसे करना है. So every week it will be different house, you know? But we want to make sure the house is around this area, not too far, you know? वरना एक person, जैसे I come from all the way from Caroline Springs. I don't want a lot of people to travel to Caroline Springs, you know? So one person is traveling a lot, it's okay, but we will try and make sure that not many people do it. So having said that, let's go to the topic. Before we start, let's listen to what Gaur Gopal Das, our favorite guru, has to say about karma.
How many of you clean pots at home? Okay, thank you. Oh, many men are raising their hands as well. Thank you. It's lovely to see men are also helping at home cleaning pots. You know, when you have a sink and you have one pot in the sink and you're trying to clean it, there's not much sound. But when you have more than one pot, 2 pots, if there's 3, God. The more the number of pots, the greater the sound number, isn't it? So it's amazing. We may need relationships to be happy, but every guy is like a pot. And if there's 2 pots living in a house, raise your hands if you've ever experienced some sound in the house because of conflicting pots. Please. Thank you very much. Raise your hands if this, to add to the 2 pots, there's 2 more pots called kids. And then we have 2 more of those pots to grow up as teenagers, then the sound increases even more. Raise your hands if you have experience of that. Phew. Oh my God. What do you do? It's relationships that bring you joy, and in the same relationship that you're constantly fighting. One husband and wife, my God, they had such a fight. And the lady called her mother, "Mom, I can't stay with this guy, Mom. It's too much. I'm not going to stay with this guy. Mama, I'm coming back home for 3 weeks, Mama. I'm coming back." The mother said, "Darling, you don't come back. He must get the reaction to what he has done. I'll come to your home for 3 months. You relax there. You just take it easy, you know. I'll come to your home for 3 months. We will make sure he gets every bit of it." As much as we want our relationships to be deep, we also know the challenges they pose. As much as we want to make them the bondings of love, we know the challenges is massive differences of nature. As much as we want to have those true, genuine exchanges based on affection, the challenges are different opinions. How many of you are married? Oh, that's good. How many of you got a partner of your choice? Thank you. How many of you did not get a partner of your choice? You don't have to raise your hands if you don't want to. It's okay. Did not get a partner of your choice. As if it makes a lot of difference. As if. As if it would make a lot of difference if you get a partner of your choice, if you don't get a partner of your choice. Eventually, you end up staying with each other and more or less the same things happen. You know, I always say this. I say, no one teaches a volcano how to erupt. No one teaches a tsunami how to swing. No one teaches a hurricane how to attack. And no one teaches a man or a woman how to find a partner in marriage. Natural disasters just happen. Natural disasters just happen. Now, I just have one thing to say. We don't want our relationship to be a disaster. We don't want our relationship to be a disaster. And it's not just a married relationship, any relationship. These principles are true for any relationship. We don't want our marriage to be, or our relationship to be a disaster. And we do not want our relationship to be a disaster. We have to start liking the person to whom we relate to. Happiness is not about getting what you like. Happiness has a lot to do with liking what you get. We are so busy trying to get what we like. We are so busy trying to get what we like that we forget to like what we get. And there's so much to like in people. So much to like in people. They say the person whom you wanted to get married to, whom you loved, you never get. And the person, now you're married to someone and the person whom you really loved and wanted in your life simply remains the password of your email ID. You just look at it and say, oh, once upon a time, there was a time we used to love this person. Now I'm stuck with this. Oh my. Believe me, there is a great need that we start liking the person whom we connect to.
So, how does it relate to karma? How does it relate to karma? Who's got the mic? Yeah. Anyone? How does this video relate to karma? Yes. Yeah.
I'm assuming.
Seriously?
We don't know what we're going to get in life, which is going to be based on our previous karmas. We don't know what exactly we're going to get in our life. We should learn to accept and acknowledge and love.
Yes.
what we get.
Very nice. Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you. Yes, beta. Here. Very nice, Prabhu.
Sunny Prabhu, you got a hurricane or a tsunami?
Prabhu, not here. No? We're talking Prasadam time.
No matter what you do, you can't change your karma. So, as in, you can't, like he said in there, you can't get. Most people try to chase what they don't have rather than what they have. So we can't get what we don't have in our karma.
All right. That's very good point. Thank you, beta. Thank you. Anyone else? I want few people to, because more and more we do na. Abhi one track mind nahi hai na हमारा. When we hear from other people, our track changes. So yes, the back.
I think, Prabhu, it's what he said. It's not what we want, it's what we get. And
Yeah.
the way I see it connects with karma is maybe because there is some learning for us to go through that path based on our previous karma. And
Very nice.
what we are meant to learn from whatever
Beautiful.
that brings.
Beautiful. How many of you have seen that movie Karate Kid? How many have not seen that movie? Raise your hands. You have not seen that movie. Okay. The majority. So I'll tell you. So what happened? Says this little boy, he knew this guy who teaches karate. So he goes there. He said, "Can you teach me?" Because he got bashed up by his friends and stuff. So he wanted to teach them a lesson. He wanted to learn karate. So he went there. So the coach or the guru, his coach said, "Hey, I'll teach you. Take this sponge. You put one hand, you put wax on, and on the other hand, you put wax off. So you do this all around the house, like, you know. So he got him to clean the fences and everything. After 5 days, he got really upset. He said, you wanted to coach me, but instead of that, you're asking me to clean, wax on, wax off, and all those sort of things. He was painting like this, like you know, he'll say, just this stroke up, this stroke down, with a paintbrush, yeah? This stroke up, and this stroke down, like this, with the wrist only, you know. He was so upset. At 5th day, he said, I'm not doing anything. He said, why? He said, because you're not teaching me anything. You're making me do all this work. So the teacher goes, come here. And then he starts punching him, and he goes like this. Automatically, his hand went like this. He goes, this is called wax on. And then he punched again from the other side, his other hand went up. He goes, this is called wax off. So what I was teaching you was wax on and wax off was part of karate training. You did not know that you were learning it. Similarly, in our life, we have our partners, you know, our kids, our friends, our bosses. They're there as a coach. They teach us what we don't have. You know, if someone is pressing your button in, like, you know, what are you learning? You're learning, I should not give my remote control to someone else. That's a learning, yeah? If you don't have a bad boss, how would you learn how to manage yourself in that negative emotion, you know? जैसे कहते हैं ना, have you heard of that thing? क्षमा शोभती उस भुजंग को जिसके पास गरल हो. Have you heard of that? No? Yes. Yeah? उसको क्या जो दंतहीन विष रहित विनीत सरल हो. There's a poem. So क्षमा जो होती है वो मतलब forgiveness किसको शोभा देती है? उस भुजंग means snake. The only snake जिसके पास गरल का मतलब होता है venom. जो सांप काट के आपको मार सकता है, only he has capacity to forgive you, है ना? उसको क्या जो दंतहीन विष रहित विनीत सरल. That means someone who is not, उसके पास दांत नहीं है, उसके पास जहर भी नहीं है, वो सांप आपके पास देखे बोले जा माफ करा. अरे तू माफ नहीं करता तो भी क्या कर लेता? You can't do anything, you know. So us, if we don't have people who don't push our buttons, 2 reasons. Either you're like a cat, you know, the cats, they don't care about any emotions. Either you're a cat, or you don't understand. You don't understand people's emotions. That's it. Otherwise, you will have people who push your button. How do you deal with that? We will learn, you know. So there is this guy. So what we'll talk about in this topic in next probably 6-7 weeks is, first of all, what is karma? We will talk about laws of karma, which are like normal laws. Like, you know, how many of you know, for every action, like Newton's law. You know, Newton's law, for every action there is equal and opposite reaction, whatever it is. If I drop something from this height, it has potential energy. And because of potential energy, when I release it, the whole potential energy becomes kinetic energy until it touches the floor. And after that, that kinetic energy changes into sound or whatever it is, you know. So what happens is energy changes from higher energy, everything goes from higher energy to lower energy. That's a law. अब मैं किसी को बोलूँगा कि how do you know there is a gravity? तो बोलेगा this is a gravity. If I drop this, it falls. It's gravity. No, नहीं. Have you seen gravity? No, I haven't. Have you seen? No, I haven't seen gravity. But what I have seen? Effect of gravity. You know. So similarly, when people ask you, what is the proof that this law of karma that you're talking about is true? Can we see law of karma? No. But can we see the impact of it? Yes. We'll see that. So we'll talk about laws behind karma. We'll talk about commonly asked questions on karma. We will learn about different types of karma, sources, destiny versus karma. How many of you had a question, you know, is this my karma or it is my destiny? Anybody have that question? Yeah. We'll talk about that. Benefits of understanding laws of karma and how to handle laws of karma. There is a guy, have you heard of this guy, Harold Kushner? Google karna kabhi, na? This guy wrote a book called When Bad Things Happen to Good People. His 14-year-old son had a disease and he died. He used to love that kid and he died. And he was a priest. He was a priest, Christian priest. And after that, he stopped believing in God. उसने एक book लिखी, this is one of the best sellers. अभी भी you go any bookshop, you'll find this book. This is a complete nonsense book, by the way. Don't read it. I'm just telling you on the face. Please don't read it. Because it talks about God. God is good. He says God is really good. God doesn't want anyone to get any harm. But God is not that powerful. That's why the evil has overpowered God and God actually left the field. That's what he says. So please don't read it. But what I'm saying is, what happens is, the reason why हम लोग ये पढ़ रहे हैं, so that every single day, when you are sitting in the classroom, for example, kids, when you're sitting in the classroom and you're trying to understand this equation, बाजू वाले को समझ में आ गया, you couldn't understand it, and like, यार मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है ऐसा? And sometimes, you see, I had a friend who wanted to work for Google, back in India, and he tried so many times, he couldn't get in, and then one day, and he was okay, he was sad, but he was okay, he was doing really good. The job that he had, he was working for an entrepreneur company, and he was getting enough pay, not as much as Google, but good pay. He was really okay, and as soon as his best friend got job in Google, he got depressed, literally clinically depressed. It took him 6 months to get out of the depression. What has changed? Uski job to wahi thi. He was earning the same amount of money. His boss was the same, his job was the same, his family was the same, his kids were the same. What changed? Friend को job मिली. मेरा टीवी पुराना कब हुआ? जब पड़ोसी ने नया ले लिया. तब तक मेरा टीवी नया था, है ना? Happy 3 Idiots में था ना वो? Do you remember? He says, यार हमारा दोस्त फेल हो जाए तो बहुत दुख होता है, लेकिन हमारा दोस्त अगर फर्स्ट आ जाए तो और ज्यादा दुख होता है. So where does that come from? Because we don't understand how this whole thing works. Law of karma. So the thing is, the problem with this whole aspect is, one day what happened is, Gautam Buddha, he was one day, obviously when he had, जब उनको भगवान का वो हो गया था, आभास हो गया था, after that he was waiting, and this lady came and said, hey, my 4-year-old has died, I want you to bring him back. She was a disciple of Gautam Buddha. So, and she said, you are God, please bring him back, you have to bring him back. And Gautam Buddha said, okay, I will. First I want you to go all around the village. There were around 200 houses in the village. He said, go get me 1 handful of rice. 1 handful of rice. Once you bring it, I will get him. I will make your son alive. But the only condition is, the rice you should get from a house that has never seen any death. No? So this lady went. She goes, okay. She went to 1 house, 2nd house, 3rd house. She went all 200. And I want you to guess what happened afterwards. When she came back, Gautam Buddha. Just have a guess. Empty-handed, but what happened? What was,
Realization.
What could be her realization?
That death is omnipresent.
Yeah.
That is it. So when she came back to Gautam Buddha, did she ask to get his son revived? No. Though reason, she didn't have a rice, but she knew that it was never about rice. It was about my realization that everybody has to go, everybody has to die, and you cannot change that. Somebody dies, but the problem is, question is this: why are we sitting in Melbourne in a house which has got aircon in it, and there is a guy in Sudan who is dying just because of the hot winds? He dies because of dehydration in the hot wind. Why? What's the difference? We are here, they are there. There is a question. Like what's happening in Israel and what? What's happening with those kids dying in the hospital? Like kids who are like 2 years old, 1 year old. Like they are all dying because of some ego. Yeah, there's a difference, कभी लगता नहीं कि why is it happening? Why me? होता ना? Why me? कभी हम लोगों को भी लगता है. I told you this story, I think. I'm not too sure whether I said in this forum. बट हमारा जो what we are facing right now depends on हम लोग का उस समय कितना level है understanding का. So I went to New South Wales. I was staying with Aborigines because I was doing a voluntary project for them for 6 weeks. So I was living with them, and I had so the company gave me a really nice 4-wheel drive because we had to go to camping वगैरह के लिए जाने. 4-wheel drive उन्होंने मुझे दी थी. Like that was my car for 6 weeks. And उसकी जो glasses थे वो tinted नहीं थे. And I told them I needed tinted glass क्योंकि जहाँ पर मैं रुका हुआ था it takes hour and 15 minutes to get to where I'm doing the voluntary work. But tinted glasses नहीं थे. And I had an argument with the guy who was booking this for us in CVA. Simple argument. And then I came to the workshop जहाँ पर मुझे काम करना था. There was a school. It's a Naizda dance school. Dance Aborigines, they learn how to dance and all those sort of things. So there were kids like 15, 16, 14, 15, 16-year-old kids. So and they had a very beautiful lake in front of the school. So उसके आजू-बाजू में पेड़ थे. So I parked there. And it was hot. So I thought I'm going to sit here. I was early. I'm going to sit next to the lake on the bench under the tree. And then when it's time, I'll go inside. So I was sitting there and this guy who I saw a day before in the school, I saw him smoking there. And he saw me. He just put the cigarette down. And he said, I'm so sorry. Please don't tell anyone. I said, no, let's just sit. So he was sitting down and he had tears in his eyes. I thought he's stressed out. मैंने उसको पूछा, what's wrong? कहता है I'm just stressed out. Tell me. No, don't worry about it. मैंने कहा I'm stressed out as well. So I'm glad that he didn't ask me why, because if I would have told him, I'll tell you what happened then. So I said, okay, what's happening with you? So I was frustrated with the non-tinted car. So he told me that काफी देर बाद he said, look, what's happening is in when they get all the जो भी performers होते हैं ना, they get introduced. Oh, this is so and so. He's from this clan. They give you name. They announce your name. They announce your clan, and everybody claps and they come to the stage and perform and all those sort of things. This boy did not know his clan because he was adopted and all those sort of things. His documents were missing. They don't know which clan. So there are 2 clans who were claiming him. So they didn't know what to explain to him, and he said, Brijesh, I don't know who I am. I was like, what? He said, I don't know who I am. I don't know what my roots are. I don't know whether I'm this clan or this clan, because those 2 clans जो उसको कर रहे हैं ना, they're all बिल्कुल different personality वाले clans हैं, and he doesn't know who he is. And I was sitting there and thinking, oh my goodness, I was worried about what?
Tinted glass.
Tinted windows in my car. How small I was thinking, and suddenly I realized that it's not the problems that we are facing that are important. हम उसको कहाँ से देख रहे हैं? Like for example, when you go to the airport, like when you start flying, you can see these buildings like this, and then when you're flying, those buildings become smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and at a point it disappears. है ना? Similarly, हमारी problems, what the problems we have, they are same for everyone. Some people are looking at it, आंखें घुसा के उसमें बैठ गए हैं. They're looking at the problems like this. Some people are looking problem like this. Some people are above the problem. They're looking down at the problem. So you cannot change that problem. What you can change is how you look at it. How much elevation you can get to look at the same thing. Now the understanding of karma will give us that method. And when we understand karma, it will give us a method how to look at the problems, the same problems that you have right now, how to look at that problem and get the best out of that problem. I'll give you a simple example. Actually, my nephew is here, Arin, and he's 19 years old, and he just came from India. He plays for Rajasthan in India. He's a state cricket player. He just got selected in Ascendant Cricket Club, and he's gonna play his first Premier League game tomorrow, and he's only here for last 2.5 weeks.
Yeah.
So this he goes to the gym, like, you know, because he was telling me I need to strengthen my core because he's a fast bowler, so they're prone to injury, so he need to be very strong in order to bowl fast bowling continuously. So imagine he goes to the gym and he picks up a little book and he started doing this. How much muscles do you think he can build? Nothing. Yeah. What does he have to do in order to build that muscle?
More weight.
He needs to put on more weight. Weight का क्या मतलब होता है? Weight means more resistance. अगर आपकी लाइफ में resistance है, अगर आप उस resistance को accept कर लेते हो, that resistance will make you powerful. If the same resistance, if you don't accept it, what will it give you? Depression, anxiety, pain. है ना? Now I tell my son, please, ye kha le, broccoli is good for you. He likes broccoli, by the way. Let me take some other example. Peas, he doesn't like peas. So peas kha le, it's really good. Nahi khana hai. Now they doesn't matter usko kuch bhi bolo nahi khana hai, because the reason what I'm giving him is not a good enough reason for him. मैं बोल रहा हूँ बेटा, you'll get some strength. वो सोच रहा है क्या करूँगा मैं strength का? You know, if I want to, pick something up, I'll ask my dad. Why do I need strength? His why is not strong. So I was talking to my nephew as well. If your why is strong enough, then how becomes irrelevant. For example, this lady, I was telling him this example. This lady was Asian lady. She was 54 years old, and her son, 16-year-old son, का kidney fail हो गया. So he needed a kidney transplant. Now, and the only match was his mom. And mom is 53-year-old, obese, and have everything, hypertension, blood pressure, everything. So doctor said you can't give him anything. He only has 7 months or 8 months to get the kidney, otherwise he will be gone. In 8 months, if you Google her, you can see her transformation. 8 months, that 53-year-old woman changed everything about her lifestyle, and in 7 months, she was able to give her kidney, one of the kidneys, and save the son. Well, what was changed? The same 53 years old, she's an obese 53-year-old lady. What changed for her? Her why. Her why changed because she needed to be healthy for who? For his son, for her son, not for herself, not to look good, not to look pretty, not to look amazing. So what we need to do is we need to change our why, and the only way we can actually understand and change our why, if we understand the laws of karma. How? We will discuss it. Now, with Gautam Buddha's thing, when Gautam Buddha said this to the lady, it actually, we have to understand there are some reactions that we're gonna have. Kuch change nahi kar sakte. There are two things which are inevitable. One is death, and the second is tax. So the two things are inevitable. So in here, Gautam Buddha said, you need to die. Everybody has to die. And the tax, the only place is Dubai. Nowhere else. So in Bhagavad Gita, there are 5 subject matters. Anybody knows what are the 5 subject matters of Bhagavad Gita?
The yogas.
Now 5 subject matters. What are the 5 topics that Bhagavad Gita discusses? Karma, yes. Sorry? Yeah, but there are 5 subject matters. One is karma, obviously. What is it? No. Huh? No. Mataji, bolo Mataji. Prabhu bolo. Cheating कर रहा हूँ. बोलो Mataji. Bhagwan, yes. So one of the topic is talk about Bhagwan, Supreme Lord, yes. Atma, which is us, a soul, yes. Kal, which is time. Karma, yeah. And Prakriti, nature, material nature. So these are the 5 subject matters. Thank you, Mataji. Bhakti Shastri student. So there are 5 subject matters. Now in order for us to, karma is the last topic. Like, अगर इनकी हायरार्की देखी जाए, the karma comes at the end. क्यों? You need to understand who is God. You need to understand who am I. You need to understand what is the relationship between God and me. है ना? Then you have to understand how God is connected to time, how I am connected to time, and how my responsibility towards God or my relationship with God is connected to time. है ना? Then you have to understand material nature. Why I don't understand my relationship with God. अगर मुझे पता है मैं कौन हूँ, भगवान कौन है, why am I not taking any measures about it? तो फिर आती है material nature, which is प्रकृति, जिसको हम माया भी बोलते हैं. And the last one comes is karma. So, in order for us to understand karma, we have to go back a little bit. So we will talk about today before we go to the next the first topic. I want to actually have a quick discussion. I want you to share few people, 3 or 4 people. I want you to share one incident in your life or your friend's life or neighbor's life, anyone. You don't have to name it. Say one person or one lady, whatever you can say. Tell me one incident that जिसको सुन के आपको लगा कि यार ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था इनके साथ, है ना, या इसके साथ और बुरा होना चाहिए था, whatever, like, you know. So कहते ना कई बार this guy was you know the one that I'm talking about, जो जिसको गूगल में नौकरी नहीं मिली. This guy he was not worried about his own job. He wanted to find out how, like, afterward he actually revealed when he got better and everything, he is spiritual now. He said, I used to pray for him to get fired from Google. Can you imagine? So he used to pray कि यार उसकी मतलब मेरे को मिल जाए, वो खत्म हो गया था, that has finished. It's not that I should get the मेरे को ही मिल जाए वहाँ पर, उसकी चली जाए, है ना. तो so let's go. Who's got the mic? Yes, Mataji. Can I have the mic?
प्रभु आपने previous question के answer में already ये question nullify कर दिया है ना.
क्या?
हमारे साथ कुछ भी resistance क्यों होता है? क्योंकि that is karma.
हाँ.
So now if we know that or we understand that, then isn't this already?
No. The thing is, I want people to see all the dimensions of what I'm talking about. For example, मेरे को क्या है, when I'm talking about it, I'm talking from my perspective, my point of view, ना. But problem happens because we think my point of view is the only point of view. Most of the times it happens, na. Saas says, hey, why don't you see what I'm seeing? And Bo said, you're seeing from the wrong angle, you know. So that all of that, why this is happening? Because we think our point of view is the best. So now this is an opportunity for people to start saying things that has happened in their life that they don't understand. I'll start. Okay, I'll start. Arin's dad, he had a heart attack 2 years ago, and he was in ICU for a long time, and he hasn't still recovered fully. You know, that means he still does not. His heart is not fully functioning still. He's got stents in there. He had 70% blockage and things like that. And he's such an amazing guy. His dad is. He has no bad qualities ever. Like, you know, very simple, very homely, loves parents, and, you know, very extremely hardworking, and he will not say anything wrong about anyone. He has never swore in his life. Like literally living in India, never anything. Like not even, you know, dog or is tarah ke words meaning, nothing. That kind of a person. When he had that, I was like, why? He is a vegetarian, he has no bad habits. So like perfectly clean life. So when he had a heart attack, they were taking him to the hospital 180 kilometers away. In the middle, 90 kilometers, the ambulance kharab hui. Can you imagine? Ambulance kharab hui right in the middle of 2 towns. And even if you call one ambulance from one place, it was 45 degrees, and the aircon went off, and he was vomiting because of heat. And because he was vomiting, he could not get his oxygen. And now at 2 o'clock, my sister is calling me because she was there, and she goes, can you please pray? And me and my mother was here. We were praying. And first thing I thought is, why him? I mean, me, I can understand. Like I've done more than that. I deserve a little bit more. But for him, no. So this is my perspective. I want you to. You don't have to go through your personal details. Anything that you've seen around, please share. Please prove. Can I have the mic over there, please?
I think it has to do with one of the incidents that happened in my family. A brother of mine who was almost my age, he was like hardly 6 months younger to me. Very good boy. I mean, really at that age, and I'm talking about when I was about 19,
Yeah.
right? Those were, you know, हम जैसे बड़े होते हैं, right? There's so many experiences we get. But this boy, he was really pure, right? हमारी बातें होती थी, हम करते थे. So he was hunky-dory guy, you know. जहाँ चाहता था, he would always spread joy. मतलब वो हंसाना ही है उसका. That was his like motive, right? Not हंसाना like हाँ हंसना, just spread joy essentially. So this boy, and he just started with, you know, riding his scooter, very safe driver. He was going for doing one of the chores, and so there was a traffic jam, right? And he was standing right on the side. So दो buses आपस में वही जो करते हैं वहाँ पे. तो एक बंदा आया, the driver, and he crushed him. And now he was standing on the left side of the road, right? And typically, if you get hit, you will most likely fall on the left.
Yeah.
80% chances you will fall on the left.
Yeah.
He fell on the right. And then obviously, you know, rest is a history. So, you know, of all the people, of all the things that we know, how can somebody who is so loving, so innocent, such a nice boy, right? How can something happen to him?
Yeah. Thank you for sharing. This is what I'm talking about. The reason why I'm saying that is more and more we discuss this. I'll tell you at the end why I want us to discuss this, because there's a gravity in it. We need to catch that gravity and then we will run. Yes. Anyone else? Anything that you think was not fair? Yes. Prove the back.
The same page you shared about a person, I also actually have lived with a person like that, my father-in-law. He was such a gem of a person, and you know, I have never seen in my time with him that he has ever heard anyone. Like अगर ड्राइवर बाहर वेट कर रहा है ना, वो मुझे डांट देते थे कि ड्राइवर क्यों वेट कर रहा है गाड़ी में बैठ के. इस तरह की उनकी नेचर थी, और बहुत सफ़र किया उन्होंने. लाइक एट द एज ऑफ 40 और सो ही गॉट दिस ट्यूमर, और वो रिकरिंग था. फिर 63 ही वाज व्हेन ही पास्ड अवे, एंड लास्ट 3 months वर in the hospital in ICU. And at that time also, when he was very sick, he used to take care of each one of us. They were very small. So if I'm suffering with, like I'm struggling with them, he used to take care of all the things. Even if he's sick, he's on the bed, he'll think, he was a lawyer, so he'll think of the cases he had. वो उस बंदे का नुकसान हो जाएगा, उसका सिविल केसेस हैंडल करते थे, तो उसका इतने टाइम से केस चल रहा है, मैं ये हेयरिंग चेंज नहीं करा सकता, मुझे कोर्ट जाना है. मतलब मम्मी, मेरे मदर लो बैठे हैं, शी इज क्राइंग, आई न्यू शी विल क्राई. सो वो उनको ये लगता था हमेशा कि नहीं, मुझे कोर्ट जाना है, मुझे जाने दो. मम्मी और मैं बहुत लड़ाई करते थे उनसे कि कोई कोर्ट केस खराब नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, आप अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखो. बट ही यूज्ड टू थिंक फॉर अदर्स एवरी टाइम. बट उनके साथ ये हुआ, 20 years सफर किया उन्होंने. एंड एट द एंड आल्सो,
That's a question, isn't it?
yes,
It is a question.
I used to feel so bad. These girls used to feel so bad कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ उनके साथ ना.
नहीं, very fair question.
एंड ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स बहुत सारे, एक ही और एक, सॉरी मैं और थोड़ा सा टाइम लूँगी. एक और मैंने बचपन में देखा था अपने, मेरी सामने पड़ोस में एक फैमिली थी, वो बोलना नहीं चाहिए.
कोई बात नहीं. That's okay. Better out than in. That's okay. It's a perfectly safe place. God is here, so.
साथ क्या हुआ था कि वो एक पंडित टाइप थे, उनके वहाँ पे लाइन लगती थी लोगों की। लोग अपने लिए पूछने आते थे कि हमारे फ्यूचर का क्या होगा। उनकी 3 बेटियां थीं और उनकी जो सबसे बड़ी बेटी थी उनकी डॉटर इनके पास रहती थी, लाइक उनकी ग्रैंड डॉटर, वो मेरी फ्रेंड थी। और उसके फादर ऑलरेडी एक्सपायर्ड, और वो इनके पास इसीलिए रहती थी, अपने मामा मामी और नाना के पास, और उसकी मम्मा और उसका ब्रदर कहीं और रहते थे। तो ये उनकी फैमिली में से इसकी मेरी फ्रेंड की मम्मा और उसका ब्रदर, ये दोनों उसके मामा की फैमिली में से 2 लोग, और 2 जो सिस्टर्स और थी उनकी फैमिली के भी 2 लोग सब एक जगह गए, वैष्णो देवी और शिवपुरी, और उनकी पूरी बस खाई में गई थी। और दैट गर्ल जो मेरी फ्रेंड थी, शी वॉज अलोन इन द वर्ल्ड। उसकी मम्मी भी चली गई, उसके भाई भी चला गया, फादर उसके पहले ही जा चुके थे। तो मतलब ऐसा वो ये सब देख के लगता है कि क्यों दुख है लोगों के।
You need to ask this question, because if you don't ask this question, you will not get that answer. And that is the reason why I'm asking you guys to share it, because it's emotional. I know it's emotional, but what happens is now we are going towards increasing our why. Why do we have to learn this? This is why we have to learn this. There is no one in this room who hasn't seen something like this. There's no one in this room who hasn't questioned this. Why them? You know, we just saw Pratham, one of the gem of a guy. Like I saw him in the ICU and he was telling me, I'm good. Just take care of my mom.
Only the thumb.
I'm good. You take care of my mom. I mean, and I'm telling you, he was trying to poke him and his whole hand was all red because they couldn't find one of the nerves. And I asked him, are you okay? He smiled, he goes, and then he said, it happens. That's it. He's smiling and the people are trying to poke him with the needles, you know. Why? You know, if we understand this, if we can go into the depth of this why, अगर हम लोग ये क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे why, only then we will have an actual inclination कि यार हमें क्यों समझना है. Why we are wasting our time every Friday sitting here, you know, reading something and see how and go home. That's not the purpose of these classes. This purpose of these classes is to go deep into what happens in reality. Bhagavad Gita is not a subject matter ki, you know, you read and you become really happy and you go home and start fighting and crying and doing the same thing that you have been doing all the time. That's not the purpose of Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is a manual of life. And that's why when I talk about karma, if you have an extremely amazing why, only then you are actually will look for this answer. क्यों हो रहा है यार सर? क्यों हो रहा है? Why me? You know, I'm pretty sure he would have asked, why my dad? You know, my other brother had a bypass surgery a few hours ago. You know, yeah, he's still in ICU. He's got ventilator on. He'll be off tomorrow. Successful thing. But ठीक है, because he had some bad habits. उसको करना ही था. It was not a big shock. You know, just कभी-कभी इस जन्म के मिल जाते हैं ना वापस कर. I said that's okay. But Arin's dad, we don't know. Still don't know. So that question when I asked, that question next week we'll go deep into that question. चैतन्य चरण प्रभु का एक छोटा सा वो है 3 मिनट का वीडियो, we'll hear that next week. उसमें पता चलेगा कि when we actually see these things, हमें उससे क्या how can we become stronger, you know, how can I become stronger by learning these things. अब मैं आप लोगों को बोल रहा हूँ ना कि शेयर करो. The reason is so that we can actually become vulnerable. So when we become vulnerable, we become soft. When we become soft, we become receptive. When we become receptive, we grab more, grasp more, learn more, grow more. And that is why we need to share it. Yes, can you pass the mic over here, please?
I understand about people who have had a journey
एज में जाते हैं.
Mm.
But my why is for like my son was in the hospital when he was born.
Mm-hmm.
ICU में था वो
Mhm.
for 15 days. तो मेरा why तब था कि ये तो पैदा हुआ है अभी. Why?
Yeah.
But then when I went into the ICU, well, he was a mature baby, but they were like premature babies, and I wonder when I see karma, some people say आप जिस जन्म में होते हो आपको उसी जन्म में कर्म भोगना होता है and सब कर्म हो जाता है. But उन बच्चों ने क्या गलत किया है? What did they do wrong? That
Yes.
you know there's suffering, and some don't even come out of ICU.
Mm.
And parents don't get to see the child. Like I used to ask वहाँ पे doctors कि मेरा बेटा Christmas पे घर आ जाएगा.
Mm.
Every
Can you
day
imagine?
was counting.
Wow.
So it was very hard and painful. And at that time I did a why. मैंने तो किसी को बुरा नहीं किया.
Exactly.
हमारे साथ ऐसे क्यों हुआ?
Yeah. Exactly.
So अपना तो मेरे को as a parent ऐसा लगता है कि वो why अपने लिए नहीं था.
Mm.
It was for my sons.
Yes.
Why?
Why? Why? my
Why for
son?
those children? Why for those little babies
Exactly
in the
right.
ICU? And they had, and yes, I heard about Pratham, and it was like it was a long journey for him.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, why?
Why? Yes. The more and more we ask that why question, the more and more we will actually look for answers. वरना क्या होगा? ये बस आज हम लोग बैठे हैं बात करी, इसे कल वापस भूल जाते हैं. क्या होगा? Coffee with Karan. That's not.
प्रभु, एक बार वो भी है जो गंगा ने अपने पुत्रों को बच्चों को गंगा जी में डाला थी.
Yes. हाँ.
वो कितनी बड़ी बात है.
बिल्कुल सही. बिल्कुल सही. Very good. कितनी बड़ी why है? Anyone else want to share their why quickly? Somebody who.
I would just share like the Dalesford incident which happened in which the whole family is just
Yes.
sitting having picnic, you know,
Yes, that is also
really
why.
Hmm.
bachchi bhi, husband, wife. So like
Yeah.
these are some incidents like, you know, just
Yeah, we don't know why.
Why?
And we have, do you know, remember there was a few years ago, 6 years ago, the whole devotee in the plane, small plane, there was all the devotees, they were going to Amarnath Yatra. They were only devotees. That plane crashed. Everybody died. No, not even one single devotee survived. And why? Like, you know, at that moment, everybody questioned, "Ki yaar, ye kyun ho raha hai? Why is it happening?" Yes.
I have one more left. but,
Yes, please.
I also know someone like I just that person will do so much for others, so caring, so loving. Have done pretty much most of her life, and she has been looking for a partner for such a long time. Like not for that she's been good, a kind human being. Things just doesn't go right for her. Like we've been talking about people who have suffered and who have died. Now I talk about people that I see, and that's just not one person. I know other people as well that they've been so good, but things
Yes.
just doesn't fall right for them.
Yeah.
I'm like, क्या किया उसने ऐसा कि भगवान उसको दे क्यों नहीं रहा कुछ
Yes.
जो उसको चाहिए वो क्यों नहीं मिल रहा?
Very nice.
It is so painful to see others. Like it's like why अब तो दे दो हो गया time. You know?
Exactly right.
So yeah. So for those people who have been searching for something, like wanting to have a baby or wanting to have a partner, but they're just not able to.
Yeah.
And in spite being a good human being.
Yeah.
मैं बोलूँ कि like yes they're not good, then you know उन्होंने कुछ अच्छे कर्म नहीं करे इसलिए उनके साथ ऐसा हो रहा है नहीं.
Yeah.
Those people are so gem of a person,
Yeah.
but they still don't get.
That why is incredible. That is that you question why.
Yes, and then I question why.
You know, the most suffering someone has taken are Pandavas. You know? So what happened is when Draupadi ka Chirharan ho raha tha and Krishna came and all those sort of things, you know. After incident ho gaya, sara ho gaya, then Krishna obviously went and saw Draupadi. He entered Draupadi's thing and he used to call her Sakhi. You know, the friends, you know, the cousins, friends, yeah. Sakhi, what happened? Bola, what Sakhi? You know what happened to me? In the whole assembly, I was, you know, this happened to me. You knew, Keshav, you knew what was happening to me. Where were you? Why didn't you come? अब ये जो इंसिडेंट है, यही केशव, he would have said, द्रौपदी बैठो, I'll tell you Bhagavad Gita. Did he say that? You know what she said? Anybody know what Krishna said to Draupadi when she said that?
When you called me, I did
I was
that.
there.
No.
He apologized.
Exactly. He said, I'm so sorry. What did he say? I'm so sorry. He didn't say, okay, कर्मणेवा अधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. बैठो यहाँ पर. तुम्हें पता ही नहीं, you're not this body. Why are you worried? Shut up. नहीं बोला ना? What did he say? I'm so sorry. And then when he said sorry, what happened? Draupadi became soft. And then once Draupadi was calmed down completely, then he said, look, Draupadi, every single person in this whole sabha will die. I will make sure, I promise you that. जो भी वहां पर खड़ा था मूक बन के, he was not taking your side, everybody will die. And I will see to that. पहले नहीं बोला, पहले भी बोल सकते थे जब उसने, आप कहाँ थे? द्रौपदी टेंशन मत ले, सबको मार दूंगा, ये भी बोल सकते थे. क्या बोला उन्होंने? Sorry. हमारे साथ क्या होता है? Like just because the reason why I'm saying this is because after learning this karma, I don't want all of us to go to their friends and say, hey, तेरे गंजा इसलिए हुआ है कि पिछले जन्म में कुछ करा होगा तुमने. No, we don't say that. Law of karma is because of us.
ये very wrong. Why is everybody looking at both of them?
I look at me as well, na? I'm talking about me. So you know what I mean? So the thing is, law of karma, हम लोग सब समझ जाएंगे law of karma को. We cannot use our law of karma to people around us. I can't go to Mamta Mataji and say, you know what? ये आपके कर्मा है. How stupid is that? Krishna didn't say that. कि द्रौपदी तेरे कर्म है इसलिए हुआ तेरे साथ. Did he say that? He didn't, because actually Draupadi did not. Draupadi is a pure devotee. She did not. So जो pure devotees होते हैं ना, they are actually exempt from law of karma because they don't do any karma, because they live their life according to the Lord. They live their life according to the pastimes of the Lord. So they don't do actually, karma. They don't incur karma. So Draupadi and Pandavas, they did not have any karma accumulated that they have to pay. Ande ka putra andha hai. She never said that. It's not written anywhere. It's all हम लोग की जो उसको phantasmagoria डाल दिया उसमें to make it more masaledar. They said. She never said that. You look at. हाँ? है ही नहीं, महाभारत में है ही नहीं. महाभारत में दिखाया था, गलत है वो मसाला डालने के लिए. She never said that Draupadi is not that kind of a personality. So if you read Draupadi, she is one of those people that even Bhagwan, Satyabhama used to go to Draupadi and ask her, can you teach me how to be a good wife? Lakshmi Devi going to उनके पास कि भैया tell me how to be a good servant. किससे? द्रौपदी से. So द्रौपदी का जो पद है, द्रौपदी का जो position है, is higher than all of these. This is how amazing she is. And she went through all of that. Yes, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे. Can I pass on the mic over there, please? The mic.
मैं तो हर बात के पीछे बोल जाती हूँ.
माता जी बोलो.
मैं सबसे बड़ी ये बात कहने लगी थी अभी कि द्रौपदी की कहानी 5
ऑन कर दो प्रो.
ससुराल आती है बेचारी एक अर्जुन के बेस पे, है ना? अर्जुन ने तीर मारा, उसको मारा डाली और वो आ गया. सासू माँ कह देती है कि बांट लो भाई. अब ये भी कहानी है या असलियत है?
नहीं, सही है.
एक बांट लो के चक्कर में ही वो कितनी बड़ी हैसियत है कि एक राजा की पुत्री होकर भी उसने एक्सेप्ट किया अपनी सासू माँ की. तो ग्रेट तो होगी वो.
Definitely.
बस यही कहना था.
Thank you, आंटी.
हरे कृष्णा.
मेरा माइंड अभी ना पहले वाली बात पे थोड़ा सा स्टक था. तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू आस्क कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर जो हमको दुख लगता है, जैसे किसी की डेथ सडनली हो गई, बट दैट पर्सन हैज पास्ड अवे इन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड्स, बट क्या वो उसका कर्म
कर्म थे या उसकी जो रह गए हैं, जो पीछे से एक्चुअल में दुख
भोग रहे हैं
हैं, तो जो कर्म कटे हैं या जो हरा है वो किसने?
both देखो, nothing, we will discuss this in detail, nothing happens without any reason, ठीक है? No energy can be created, no energy cannot be created or destroyed. Same with us. हमारी जो free will है उसकी वजह से हम काम करते हैं, उसकी वजह से कर्म आता है. And like for example, if a plane disappeared, what was the plane that disappeared? Whatever it is.
Malaysian.
So that plane, it was combined karma. So because of their karmic reaction, all of those people get connected through that flight and that disappeared. Okay? That was a collective karma. So the karma is for the person who is leaving. That person is having their karma, and the people who are left behind, sad, that's their karma as well. Lekin this understanding is just for us. ये मेरे लिए, like अगर if I want to understand this karma thing, I have to understand for myself. I can't say this to other people. I cannot put this philosophy to other person. ये बात ध्यान रखना है. इसीलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ because जो knowledge हमें next week में मिलने वाली है, you will have so much knowledge and understanding of karma. If you go and start talking about this to the public, they will look at you and say, this person is crazy, man. What's wrong with you? So the karma, when we say karma, the karma we should apply karmic reaction to us. If someone else is suffering, we should not think, oh, isne karma kara hoga aisa. What we should think is, what can I do to help this person? Now that जो ये thought है, how can I serve this person? That thought is called free will. When we use this free will to serve people, serve a devotee, what happens is that becomes bhakti. And that bhakti will give us more understanding about karma. That bhakti will give us more understanding about our life. That bhakti will give us more understanding of what can I do right now to help myself, to help this person, but never losing the sight of where I want to go. Yes?
Just one more thing.
Yeah.
So while we were looking at the slide, मेरी daughter ने मुझसे question पूछा and honestly I didn't answer it. She said कि if law of karma works, then how law of manifestation works?
Law of manifestation and law of karma are actually pretty much the same. Law of manifestation, जो हम लोग what we see on the TV and stuff, law of manifestation, that what it does is, हमें क्या लगता है कि if I think of anything, I'll manifest it. But actually, what happens is, when I think something too much, I start looking at that thing with that glass. ठीक है? जैसे मैंने बताया था ना, I went to get first time I had a Tesla test drive. I could see, उससे पहले मेरे को Tesla दिखती नहीं थी. After that, I was driving home and I saw like every street had Tesla. मैंने कहा इतनी सारी Tesla एक दिन में कहाँ से आ गई? This was like when Tesla first launched, first एकदम से, because I was not looking for Tesla before. Now I was. So when manifestation की when बात करते हैं, manifestation actually what happens is, if you want to manifest something, all you have to do is, you can't actually manifest which is not in your if it does not it does not correlate with your karma, then you won't get it. For example, if I want to be playing for Australian cricket team, can I do it right now? See? Confidence. So, I can't do it. You know why? Because it doesn't matter what I do right now. That manifestation will not happen because there are a few things that are missing. One is my karma to achieve that. And second, the mercy of the Lord. मैंने बताया था ना, karmana and devanetrana. There are two things that are important for anything to manifest. First is, it needs to be part of your destiny. Second, it needs to have, for example, I know a person, we look at that Janam Patri, it says that he would be supposed to be a billionaire, but he's not. Why? Because
somebody told him in the when he was young that you're gonna be a billionaire, and he thought, destiny to milegi mujhe. So I'm just gonna sit back, relax, put my feet on the couch and watch Netflix day and night. Didn't end up anywhere. भगवान कहते हैं कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते, कर्म करना तुम्हारे हाथ में है, ये तुम्हारा कर्तव्य है. माँ फलेषु कदाचन, फल मैं दूंगा. So that guy is like किसान. किसान के पास, किसान ने जो खेत जोता, बढ़िया क्वालिटी के बीज लाए, बारिश ही नहीं हुई, फसल नहीं होगी. दूसरा किसान था, उसने बोला एक काम करते हैं, बारिश का सीजन तो आने वाला है, आज मैं ना चद्दर तान के सो जाता हूँ, खेत नहीं जोतूंगा, बीज ऊपर डाल दूंगा, कितनी भी बारिश आ जाएगी, फसल होगी नहीं होगी. So this guy who did not manifest anything because he did not do anything about it. Manifestation and law of karma, they are very interrelated. You will not get what is not part of your karmic reaction, first of all, no matter what you do. A fish cannot climb a tree, doesn't matter what karma she has done. Doesn't matter. Okay? I cannot sing, doesn't matter what I do. You know, you give me a training lesson from Prabhuji, Mataji or anyone, like, you know, Kumar Sanu, and give me anyone. I can't sing. I can't sing. That's not my karma. You know, the qualities of what singers have quality, that comes from the Lord. Bhagwan कहते हैं कि everything is the spark of my splendor. Any quality that you see in people, that is spark of my splendor. Bhagwan कहते हैं. So when you look at other people's quality, we should think, oh, you know what? That quality that you got, Krishna's quality. You know? So I don't have that quality. I don't have that quality, and no matter what I do, I can't manifest. If I sit down and start trying to manifest that I'm singing like Arijit or someone, there's nothing I can do, because I don't have that karmic reaction, and second, I don't have the, you know, if I get mercy, maybe I'll get it. But manifestation works hand in hand with karma. उसको पूछना अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो I can talk to her afterwards. Okay? All right. Yes.
So I have.
Hey, Mike, please.
So I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
How do I know if it's my free will or if it's a destiny?
Oh, brilliant question. Session number 7 का question है, by the way. But anyway, we'll talk about it.
As you know, I'm from Canberra.
Uh-huh.
So was coming
Yes.
here was my free will, or was it my destiny that it was already planned that I have to come and sit in Brijesh Prabhu's session?
I'll tell you, very, 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 very amazing question. For example, somebody asked me the question in a different manner. But I'll tell you, suppose, हमारे पास, what is the probability? Have anybody know what is the meaning of probability? Like, you know, in maths. You know, if I flip a coin, what is the probability that it will be head? 50%, yeah? So it's called probability. Now, आपको पता है, what is our probability to do something? Like, it's infinite. Like probability, there are infinite ways we can actually choose. Now, whatever way we choose, जो भी हमें point हमने choose कर लिया, from that point, that point is connected to a destiny. So that's what we have to do. That free will that we have is, our free will is, we have 6 doors. Our free will is, I can choose any door. But every door reaches a different destination. And that is called destiny. But free will is me. If I get to this door, that will be my destiny. If I go to that door, that is my destiny. Now, अब आप लोग बोलोगे, then what happens to horoscope and all those sort of things, you know, planetary position. Now what happens is, planetary position is like, it says that on 13th day of the moon, your mood will be very bad. अपनी बीवी से पंगा मत लेना. अगर मेरे को पता है, you know, उस दिन मेरे को मेरी बीवी से पंगा नहीं लेना है, तो अगर मेरी फ्री विल मैंने चूज करी कि नहीं लूंगा पंगा, then मेरी डेस्टिनी दूसरी होगी. और पंगा ले लिया तो मेरी डेस्टिनी दूसरी होगी. समझा ना? So you are destined to come here based on your free will. Your destiny to sit here and listen to this class was based on your free will. However, there is one thing which is very, very important, जो हम हमेशा भूल जाते हैं हर डिस्कशन में, that no free will can reach a destination until there is a permission from the Lord. If someone is shooting someone and someone is getting shot and dying, shooting someone is a free will, but that person will die is in his hands, and plus karma.
So that
Now,
is planned.
that is planned. Yeah. So you can plan your free will, but as soon as you, so for example, simple example है, suppose कोई छत पे खड़ा है, ठीक है? छत पे खड़ा है, he wants to jump. Now he has a choice right now that मैं बचूंगा कि नहीं बचूंगा depends on what, कि मैं कूदूंगा या नहीं. ठीक है, उसके पास full choice है, free will है. लेकिन as soon as he jumped, अगर वो नीचे गिर रहा है, सोचे अरे यार मेरे को नहीं गिरना चाहिए था, अरे यार तो गलती हो गई. Anything would change? Destiny is gone. Destiny, because you've chosen that. There are some places where there's no coming back. Okay? So your free will is in your hands, but as soon as you choose it, it becomes your destiny because now you're falling. Yeah? Yes, Madhu.
Prabhuji, tying this back to karma, the 6 doors that you're saying, that you have 6 doors.
Yes.
Free will is you pick whatever.
Yes.
But aren't all those 6 doors tied back to my karma? Somewhere or the other, the options that I'm going to get on those 6 doors.
No. Options are
Like
not.
route.
But what you will choose
Yes.
is based on your karma.
Right?
For example, मेरे पास 6 choices हैं, ठीक है? If I have 6 choices, which choice I will choose depend on my karma because of my karma, I will be either in Satgun, Rajagun or Tamagun. If I'm in a Satogun, then I will be able to make that choice which is right, even though it's hard for me. If I'm a Satogun. But if I'm on a Tamagun, I will not even see which is the right choice. I'll just randomly pick something.
Conditional probability.
So, conditional probability. I was about to say that. I'm like, would it make sense? Conditional probability. That means what happens is, our destiny, हमारा जो destiny है, depends on हम अभी choice क्या कर रहे हैं right now. But हमारी जो हम choice कर रहे हैं right now, that depends on हमारे पास कर्मा. For example, एक आदमी ने दारू पी रखी है बहुत सारी, ठीक है? अब उसके पास free will है, लेकिन वो कितनी यूज कर सकता है? बहुत कम, because he is in a mode of tamogod. He would not understand anything. आप उसको दे भी दोगे ना choices, he won't be able to see it. But someone who is fresh, 4 o'clock in the morning, chanting करके, kriya करके, is perfectly ready to do whatever, and you ask them, you give them a choice, they will pick the right choice. Because at that moment, they are free. They are not. क्या होता है, तमोगुण के पंजे में फंसे हुए हम. जब हम सतोगुण के ऊपर निकल जाते हैं तो हमारे पास कोई पंजा नहीं है जिसने हमें जकड़ रखा है. That means that's the time when we can make the right decision, and that place is called bhakti, which is above these 3 modes: Satgun, Rajgun, Tamagun. Now, yes, those 6 doors have different destiny. You have a choice, but that choice that you have, the ability to make that choice, depend on what mode you are in right now. And what mode you are in right now depends on your karma. Yes, true. Can I have the mic, please?
Sorry, just to follow up
Yes.
on that, Prabhu, pass the mic.
Yeah.
It's easy what the example, but coming to the realistic world, सतोगुण वाले तो सतोगुण में ही रहते हैं, and they
not
can
really.
elevate further. Or
We will talk about it.
Yeah, but people who are in rajogun or somewhat upar
Tamagun,
niche, for them to make that choice, because we are elevating as souls, right?
हाँ.
Now we are elevating with this, right?
हाँ.
Realistically,
हाँ.
we didn't have that choice, but we somewhat and this is where it comes, the divine
Mercy.
intervention or whatever you may call it. So the free will is there, but the things that, or the people that come in front of us to take us on those paths, those doors, right?
Yes.
That what I'm talking about. Is that based on the karma as well? Coming back
Actually,
to the time.
yes, you're right. The part of it is karma. But what happens is the only person who can disrupt all of this is
God.
No, another person. Devotee. Who said that? Devotee can disrupt it. Someone who has no qualification, no satgun, no rajogun, only tamagun. A devotee can intervene and change that just by prayers. That's why मैं message डालता हूँ ना, please मेरे भाई के लिए pray करो. Why do I do that? Because I know when you guys pray, it really works. है ना? So when we do that, so devotee can intervene in that. So हम लोग elevated लोगों की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम सबको, we are all in these 3 modes, ऊपर नीचे. So what we need is, we need the shelter of Srila Prabhupada, we need shelter of devotees. तो क्या होगा, these devotees will pray for us, And that's when हमारे पास क्या होगा, हमारी destiny decided है, लेकिन हमारी जो choice making ही होगी ना, we will change those choices. How? Because someone else has come and intervened that saying, hey, shut up. कोई आता ना ऐसे करता है, hey, wake up. And then you say, hey, what? That's what happens to us. The only person who can do that is devotee. है ना? Otherwise, yes, जो आपको लोग मिलेंगे वो भी destined है. But devotees can disrupt the whole thing. आपको पता है, अपने हाथ में एक लकीर नहीं है, वो है भक्ति की लकीर. There's no line which says you're gonna be a devotee or anything. There's no line. And even spirituality being spiritual, there is some stars that can tell you can be a little bit inclined to spirituality, but there is no star sign that will tell you can become a devotee or not. Nothing is there. You know why? Because it's completely free will, 100% free will, and that free will is with us as well. हम लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हैं. One day, like I was thinking of one of the Fridays, instead of being here, we'll go to the city and do Harinam on the street. We will sing on the street with the mridanga and everything, all of us. You know, I was planning for that. So when you do that, we are intervening. All of those people who are drunk over there on a Friday night, when they hear the Harinam, what's happening? All of those things are disrupting. We're disrupting their karmas, we're disrupting everything. And we can change the path of. If you would have seen me for probably around 8-9 years ago, there is no way a person like me can sit here and talk. No way. Pure mercy of the devotees. Literally, like 120%. Disruption, complete disruption. You look at my horoscope, nothing is there. It's nothing. So it's only because of the mercy. So you can disrupt. Yes, Prabhu. Thank you.
So one school of thought is जो भी होता है भगवान की इच्छा से होता है या मर्जी के हिसाब से होता है. So for example महाभारत का जो युद्ध हुआ, right? उसमें I think आपने बोला था वो जिसका सर कटा होता है गए हुए. हाँ, so he said that no one was doing. Krishna सब कर रहा था, right? So everything was happening as per the plan of Krishna, right? So that is one understanding कि जो भी होता है happens as per the plan of God, right? So if we take that point of view, then we don't really have free will. For example, अगर दुर्योधन ने बोला कि ठीक है चलो यार मेरे को युद्ध नहीं करना, then he would have not died. So right, so then it would have not happened the way. But it was already decided कि होना ही ऐसा, he is going to be bad kind of thing, right? So that is one angle. The second question coming related to the आपने जो example दिया कि let's say if you have 6 doors, ठीक है?
Can we go to the first one and then? Okay, is that okay? क्योंकि मैं भूल जाऊँगा फिर. So कृष्णा जो महाभारत का युद्ध हुआ पहले से डिसाइडेड था, आप जैसे बोल रहे हो, बट आपको पता है इन महाभारत इट्स एक्चुअली रिटन व्हेन कृष्णा इज टॉकिंग टू व्यासदेव जी एंड ही एक्चुअली सेज यू नो व्हाट यदा यदा ही धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत, कि जब हानि हुई है मैं आऊंगा सबको खत्म कर दूंगा व्हाटएवर. लेकिन व्हाट इफ दुर्योधन पहले से ही सोच जाता है, अरे काम करो, लो ना हस्तिनापुर, तुम्हें क्या चाहिए ना हस्तिनापुर ले जाओ, तो युद्ध नहीं होता. युद्ध की जरूरत ही नहीं थी क्योंकि नाउ दुर्योधन हैज चेंज्ड, है ना. सो गॉड हैज नॉट प्लान्ड फॉर दुर्योधन नॉट टू चेंज. गॉड हैज प्लान्ड सेइंग दैट because God knew that Duryodhan will not change. God knew that like for example right now Krishna knows what choice I'm going to make right now. He knows. He knows what a choice I'm going to make now. But what he can do, pata hai? He can actually say, Puja Mataji, Brijesh is going wrong way. Go and grab him. And she grab my collar and say, hey, wrong way. Then I'll come back. Krishna knew what choice he's going to make. So that's first thing. Second, he wanted to make sure that if someone is making that choice, what could be the consequences? He wanted all of us to see. Bhishma Pitama akele on his own was capable of killing all Pandav Sena, all Kaurav Sena, including all Pandavas. He was capable. But he got defeated. Why? Because Krishna wanted to say, you know what, no matter even if you are Bhishma Pitama, you still can't stand if you stand on the wrong side of the, dharma. So that part was just as a lesson for us. Most of these things that we hear, they actually are lessons for us, but nobody has manipulated कोई मुझे बोल रहा था यार तुम्हारे भगवान ने ना दुर्योधन की मति मार दी होगी, that's why he was like stupid person. No, Krishna never interferes in the free will, never. If there was a time in Ramayana when Vibhishan came, Ram goes, Lankesh, come and sit. Then Sugriv goes, आपने क्या बोल दिया है ना? What if why would you call him Lankesh? So भगवान ने बोला because he मेरी शरण में आया है, I have to give him his I have to tell him. He said what if अभी रावण भी आ जाएगा, बोलेगा मैं आपकी शरण में हूँ, तो अब इसको तो तुमने लंकेश बना दिया, उसको क्या दोगे? You know what he said? What do you know what Ram said? I will give him Ayodhya. And then Angad or someone else goes, अगर आप अयोध्या रावण को दे दोगे, तो he was saying रावण को मैं अयोध्या दे दूंगा if he comes now. He's a Raja right now. He has to stay as the Raja because he's in Mashar and give me Ayodhya. Then he said, what will happen to his brother? What's his name? Bharat. What will happen to Bharat? He goes, I will give Vaikuntha to Bharat. This is how merciful Lord is. He will never ever interfere in the free will. He has, कई लोग बोलते हैं ना भगवान ने किसी की मति घुमा दी. No, that's not what he does. That's not who he is. He is one person who will never interfere in our free will, first of all. But not directly. Indirectly, he will send Prabhupada, he will send devotees, he will send like people like, nice people in your life to say, you know what, not the right thing to do. Let's do this. थोड़ा सा ना टैप करके. भगवान ने भी करा था दुर्योधन को. He came as a peace messenger, say, 7 गांव दे दो, क्या फर्क पड़ता तुम्हारा? But he did not change. So भगवान उनके पास इसलिए गए थे हमको बताने के लिए कि look, I'm not controlling this guy's free will. He's making his choices and because of his choices he's gonna die. And through that lesson we understand that we still have all the free will to make our choices every single day, every single minute. The more we stay in the mode of Tamagun, the less is our ability to use that free will. That's it. But the free will is always there.
But then if we have free will, then the future cannot be certain.
No, it's not. Who said it's certain?
So it can change. Because based
Yes.
on our decisions, things can change. Which
Yes.
means our destiny can change based
Yes.
on the choices we make based on our free will,
100%.
right?
100%.
So then how can we say there is a plan or everything works as per Krishna's plan?
Plan, Krishna, what Krishna's plan is? Krishna has 6 plans for you. 6 plans. He said, either you do this, or this. But once you pick up one plan, there is a destiny, there is a map for you. Then all the, like if you've chosen one path, the 5 paths disappear. Have you seen that logic when we do the graphs? As soon as you choose one path, other paths disappear. That's what happens. So God has a plan. God has not one plan. God has multiple plans.
Okay.
It's up to you, your free will, your karma, and any other devotee who's interfering in your karma. Yeah, please prove.
Hello. I think
मेरा दूसरा क्वेश्चन था.
पार्टी पूरा कर.
So
On करो bro.
on.
Prabhu.
So coming to the 6 doors वाली analogy थी, right? So now you mentioned about कि हम लोग किस mode में है, then based on that we'll either choose the right choice or the wrong choice, right? But what if we are unaware? All the 6 choices are equal.
We are unaware.
We are unaware what is right or wrong. There's no right or wrong answer. It's like 50-50%. पता नहीं कौन सा. So what we decide, is that as per our destiny or is per our or is it just
no, when you decide, when you use your free will, that free will has a part of your previous karma. If you were an aggressive person in the past, that decision that you make will be aggressive. You will say, okay, किसमें मेरे को ज़्यादा aggression मिलेगा, इसमें मिलेगा, I'll go here, subconsciously. So what happens is the amount of choice that you make right now based on your past karma. For example, एक गाय है, गाय को मैंने रस्सी से बांध दिया. The guy is free. कब तक? जब तक वो रस्सी खींच जाती है तब तक. All around the circle she is free to go. हम कहेंगे she is free, but is she free? No, she is bound by what? That rope. You know what that rope is for us? Guna, Sadguna, Rajguna, Tamaguna. So based on जिस रस्सी से हम बंधे हैं, we will make that choice. And we can change that choice if we change the guna. If we go above guna, then we can change that. We can change our free wills. We can change the ability for us to change our free will anytime.
Hey, so probably I'm practically, let's say, I'll take my own example, right? अगर let's say मेरे पास 2 job offers हैं.
हाँ.
I don't know which of both of them pros and cons are equivalent. They have the same value, ठीक है? Now
You will only pick one which will take you, which will help you keep your mode. If you're tamogud के mode में हो ना, you will only pick that one that will keep your tamogud available. Even आपको पता नहीं कि मैं तमोगुण की वजह से कर रहा हूँ ये वाली चॉइस. रजोगुण के हिसाब से आप ये करोगे, सतोगुण के हिसाब से कुछ और करोगे. So उस समय आप किस मोड में हो? तभी तो हम कहते हैं we should get up early because we want you to stay above these 3 modes. When you chant, you go above these 3 modes, then you become free. So you're no longer that guy जिसकी रस्सी बंधी हुई है. You're actually free. You can go wherever you want, whatever you want, and that's what manifestation means. You can actually achieve whatever you want based on your free will. But because हम लोग उन 3 मोड में होते हैं, हमारी लिमिटेड कैपेसिटी होती है उस 3 मोड्स में से हमारी अपनी फ्री विल को पकड़ने की. Yes, bro.
So, Prabhuji, what I was thinking and understanding here is कि God has designed everything, but हमारी जो free will है that is also there. But ultimately the bigger plan is that everybody has to go back to God.
Yes, that is true.
किसी का रास्ता छोटा हो सकता है, किसी का लंबा हो सकता है. The destination is still the same.
बिल्कुल सही.
A person may take n number of lifetimes,
Yes.
the other person might take another lifetime, but it depends on our the choices, the doors
That's
which we
correct.
open.
That's correct.
So चाहे हम रजोगुण में हैं, सतोगुण में हैं, तो that is how we make choices in the longer or the shorter path. That is each individual soul की वो journey है.
Exactly.
That's what I understand.
Very well
and the
said.
other thing is, like आपने भी बोला था, nobody asks for suffering.
No.
It is based on our previous karmas. So we should be able to embrace those sufferings by accepting that has been designed for me.
Yes.
जिस दिन हम वो सीख लेंगे, that will be the main thing. Because आज हमारे को चाहिए क्या, या तो object चाहिए या relationships.
That's it.
और उन दोनों में सुख ही ढूंढते हैं.
Yes.
Suffering ही ढूंढते हैं.
Exactly right.
So that's what I am.
Very nicely said. Very good. Very nice. Yes, at the back.
मन्नत का एक क्वेश्चन है
हाँ पूछिए.
कि जैसे आपने बोला कि डिवोटीज
इसमें ना सबसे ज्यादा क्वेश्चन होंगे पता है. आज हम लोगों ने एक स्लाइड भी नहीं करी है. यस. नहीं कोई बात नहीं. नहीं कोई बात नहीं आता ही आप पूछिए.
तो वो पूछना चाह रही है कि अगर हम जैसे आप बोल रहे हो कि डिवोटीज डिस्टर्ब करके कर्मा चेंज कर सकते हैं, तो प्रथम वाले केस में ये क्यों एप्लीकेबल नहीं हुआ?
बिल्कुल हुआ. किसने बोला नहीं हुआ?
कि उसका वो क्यों मतलब ठीक नहीं हुआ और सब कुछ सही क्यों नहीं चला?
वो हम क्या सोच रहे हैं पता है? हम लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं, ठीक होने का मतलब हमारी तरफ से ठीक होना. हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं, ठीक होने का मतलब है somebody is well and हमारे साथ में बैठ के एंजॉय कर रहा है. What if that is not the ठीक होना? ठीक होना means going back home, back to Godhead. That is ठीक होना. So he actually got the highest destination, जिसके लिए we all are like literally I can do anything to get the destination that he has.
And what about the pain his family
The pain पता क्या है माता जी? आपको मैं बोलूँगा कि like कोई मुझे आके बोले, आपको नहीं, मेरे को बोले ब्रिजेश, I'll put a pinhole in your finger, but with every pinhole I'll give you $1 million. Do I think I'll get a pinhole? Yeah? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? ये मैं बोलूँगा 5 इधर कर दे, 5 इधर कर दे, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. This is how much pain जो हमें दिख रहा है ना उनका, as compared to what he is getting, this is how much that pain is in terms of comparison. लेकिन वो हम लोग को नहीं डिसाइड करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम लोग उनको ही जाके नहीं बोलते यार आप मत परेशान हो, आपका कुछ पेन नहीं है, ऐसे ही है, वो अच्छी जगह पहुंच गए. We should be compassionate, we should give them a hug, we should console them, we should be with them. But remember, for us, when we think about Pratham, we should smile and be happy. You know what? He has gotten a destination जिसके लिए बहुनाम जन्मनामन्ते ज्ञानवान माम प्रपद्यन्ते वासुदेव सर्वमिति स महात्मा सुदुर्लभः. भगवान कहते हैं कि बहुनाम, जो बहुत जन्मों के बाद, तपस्या के बाद कुछ ऐसा होता है. और प्रथम के केस में he was not a full-time devotee, and the devotees were in ICU singing Harinam. What happened? It's called extreme disruption. Extreme disruption. I know मटेरियल पेन नहीं गया, मटेरियल पेन नहीं गया, but for the higher purpose he is achieved the destination where we can just dream of.
So she is further saying that how can we be so sure that he is in Vaikuntha?
Because 100% sure, because if, there is a Bhagavad Gita verse, Antkale Chavameva Smarana Muktva Kalevaram. भगवान खुद कह रहे हैं, मैं नहीं कह रहा, भगवान कहते हैं अंतकाल चमा मेवा, मेरा नाम स्मरण मुक्त्वा, वो जैसे ही कोई बंदा मेरा नाम सुनता है या स्मरण करता है अंतकाल में, स्मरण मुक्त, कलेवर का मतलब होता है बॉडी, व्हेन यू लीव द बॉडी, अंतकाले चमा मेवा स्मरण मुक्ता कलेवरम ये याति सम्मद्भावम याति नात्री अस्य संशय। भगवान कहते हैं इसमें कोई संशय नहीं है कि ही विल अटेन मी। मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, भगवान कह रहे हैं, गारंटीड, ही इज गारंटीड इन गोलोक वृंदावन। बहुत टाइम हो गया आज, थैंक यू वेरी मच। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। हरे कृष्ण।